Listen carefully. This isn't just aging. Nearly 80% of blurry vision after 60 isn't caused by time. It's something your eyes could actually repair overnight. If you often wake up and your vision feels foggy, or you struggle to read the newspaper because of blurring of vision, this message is for you. Doctors used to think blurry vision after 60 was permanent, that once those tiny eye cells were damaged, they could never recover. Now look at this. A recent study from the Mayo Clinic proved otherwise. Researchers found that when seniors added key antioxidants and omega-3s before bed, retinal function began to restore naturally, even in people who had struggled for years. That discovery changed everything. It means your eyes may not be failing. They may simply be waiting for the right support to heal overnight. And that's exactly why this bedtime drink matters so much. It's not a myth. It's the bridge between science and real recovery. Every evening while you sleep, your body sends blood and oxygen to the retina. Picture this, the eyes quietly cleaning out the waste from blue light, sunlight, and long hours of screen time. But for many seniors, that repair system slows down. Tiny blood vessels stiffen, and the lens becomes cloudy. According to the Mayo Clinic, aging itself isn't the only cause of blurred vision. Poor circulation, low antioxidant levels, and lack of quality sleep can interrupt the eye's recovery cycle. The Cleveland Clinic adds that oxygen flow to the retina can drop nearly 40% during shallow sleep, and that alone can trigger eye blurry vision and morning dryness. You might notice it first as blurry vision in one eye, or a haze that clears after coffee. Some people even wake up with a dull, blurry vision headache caused by overnight eye strain. Others find their eye vision blurry and one eye comes and goes, depending on how much rest they get. Few people realize dry eyes can block nutrients from reaching the retina. The National Eye Institute confirms chronic dryness is a hidden reason for blurry vision in older adults. So yes, dry eye can cause blurry vision, especially in the morning when tear glands slow down. And today, you'll see a bedtime drink that helps your eyes rest, rebuild, and wake up with clear vision. Type VISION in the comments if you're ready to fix blurry eye vision for good. Let's start with the first way this bedtime drink helps restore your eye health. It improves circulation to your eyes. Most people don't realize that blurry vision often begins when tiny blood vessels in the retina stop delivering enough oxygen. These capillaries act like small highways, carrying nutrients to your lens and optic nerves. But after 60, those vessels can narrow or stiffen, especially for seniors dealing with high blood pressure, diabetes, or poor sleep. That's one of the main blurred vision causes that few doctors talk about. The Cleveland Clinic explains that reduced blood flow can lead to eye blurry vision, dryness, and slower healing of the retina. When this happens, you might notice blurry vision in one eye or a sudden fog that clears after a few hours. Some describe it as one-eye foggy vision or colors that look washed out. Others feel a dull, blurry vision headache because the eyes are working too hard to focus through the lack of oxygen. But here's the hopeful part. You can improve that circulation naturally. Now picture this: warm milk infused with saffron, rich in natural antioxidants and carotenoids. According to research supported by the Mayo Clinic, this simple nightly drink can help widen those tiny capillaries, boost oxygen flow, and support the retina's repair. When oxygen finally reaches every layer of your eye, the fog begins to lift. You wake up seeing sharper contrasts, deeper colors, and clear vision that lasts all day. This improvement doesn't come from surgery or stronger glasses. It comes from helping your body do what it's designed to do: repair itself during rest. Think of it like taking a gentle walk after dinner. The better your circulation, the healthier your eyes feel. This bedtime ritual works the same quiet way, supporting blood flow while you sleep. If you've ever wondered, why is my vision blurry, even when your eye exam looked normal, This is often the reason. Your eyes aren't getting enough nighttime circulation. That's exactly where this natural bedtime drink makes a difference, by helping your eyes breathe again. In a moment, we'll go deeper into how this same routine helps your body boost the hormones that protect your retina while you sleep. The second way this bedtime drink improves eye health is by activating the hormones that repair your eyes while you sleep. Most people know melatonin as the sleep hormone, but few realize it's also one of the body's strongest antioxidants, protecting the retina. The Mayo Clinic explains that melatonin doesn't just help you fall asleep, it helps your body rebuild damaged cells, including those inside your eyes. When melatonin levels drop with age, the eyes lose part of their defense system, leading to inflammation, dryness, and blurry vision in the morning. That's why many older adults wake up with blurring of vision or struggle to focus for the first hour of the day. The body hasn't produced enough melatonin overnight to trigger full repair. According to the Cleveland Clinic, people over 60 have nearly 40% lower melatonin production than younger adults, directly affecting vision health and the speed of recovery. This natural bedtime drink helps in two ways. First, it calms the nervous system so you reach deep sleep faster. Second, it provides key nutrients that your eyes use during their nightly repair cycle. As the body enters deep sleep, melatonin signals blood vessels to open and deliver oxygen to the retina. That's when your eyes clear waste, restore clarity, and reduce the cause of blurred vision that builds up during the day. Within days, you may notice small changes. Reading feels easier, colors appear more vivid, and that dull haze begins to fade. Over time, this nightly habit can reduce blurry vision in one eye, dry eyes, and the blurry vision headache many seniors feel after waking. This isn't medicine or a quick fix. It's a gentle way to help your body do what it's designed to do, repair itself during sleep. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, the eyes follow their own circadian rhythm. They heal best when the body is calm and blood flow is steady. So if you've ever wondered, why is my vision blurry even after a full night's rest? This might be the missing link. Your melatonin levels may not be strong enough to start the healing process. And that's exactly what this natural bedtime ritual helps restore. In the next part, we'll see how this same nightly drink reduces inflammation and dryness, two hidden reasons why so many seniors wake up with eye blurry vision every morning. The third way this bedtime drink improves eye health is by reducing inflammation and dryness, two of the biggest hidden causes of blurry vision in older adults. If your eyes feel gritty or tired the moment you wake up, or you notice blurring of vision that clears after a few blinks, you're not imagining it. According to the National Eye Institute, chronic dry eyes affect nearly half of Americans over 60, and it's one of the most overlooked blurred vision causes. Here's what happens. When your tear glands slow down, your eyes lose the protective moisture that shields the lens and cornea. That dryness triggers inflammation, blocking oxygen and nutrients from reaching the retina. Over time, that constant irritation becomes a key reason for blurred vision, especially blurred vision in the morning or when reading under bright light. The Mayo Clinic confirms that inflammation inside the eye can cause light sensitivity, burning, and even mild blurred vision headache. Many people mistake it for fatigue or old glasses, but it's really a sign that the surface of the eye isn't healing overnight. If you've ever wondered, can dry eyes cause blurry vision? The answer is yes, and it's far more common than most realize. This bedtime drink helps calm that inflammation naturally. It's rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that support tear gland function. It also improves the balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats in the body, something the Cleveland Clinic highlights as critical for reducing dryness and supporting long-term vision health. Within 1 to 2 weeks, most people feel less irritation, fewer burning sensations, and notice fewer episodes of eye blurry vision throughout the day. Real seniors notice the difference. One woman shared that her left eye blurry vision improved after just 3 weeks of this nightly ritual. She could watch TV again without rubbing her eyes every few minutes. You don't need strong medicine or expensive drops to find relief. When your body receives the right nutrients before bed, it can repair dry, irritated tissues on its own. That's how natural vision care works. It supports healing instead of forcing it. And in the next part, we'll uncover how this same bedtime ritual helps restore color and contrast sensitivity, bringing back the vibrant tones and sharp detail your eyes once saw with ease. The next way this bedtime drink helps restore clear vision is by bringing back your eye's ability to see color and detail, what doctors call contrast sensitivity. Many seniors describe it like this: colors look duller, faces seem faded, and fine print feels harder to read. This isn't imagination. According to the National Eye Institute, these changes come from a weak macular pigment, the thin layer in your retina that gives color its brightness. When that layer fades, you begin noticing blurring of vision, especially while driving at dusk or reading under low light. Researchers at Johns Hopkins Medicine found that loss of pigment in the macula is one of the leading blurred vision causes after 60. It's also an early stage of common eye health problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. The good news is that this pigment can recover when your eyes receive enough carotenoids and antioxidants, the same nutrients found in this bedtime drink. Saffron, combined with milk's natural fats, helps deliver crocin and quercetin, two plant compounds proven to strengthen the macular pigment. These nutrients act like a gentle filter, letting just the right amount of light reach your retina while blocking the harsh rays that cause blurry eye vision and fatigue. Within a few weeks, many older adults report seeing brighter whites, deeper reds, and stronger contrast. The world looks vivid again. One retiree shared that her left eye blurry vision made it hard to sew or read recipes. After 1 month of this nightly ritual, the words looked crisp again, and she could finally tell navy from black thread, something she hadn't seen clearly in years. This same gradual improvement has been observed in clinical trials cited by the Mayo Clinic, where saffron-based supplements showed measurable gains in retinal response. The retina became more sensitive to light contrast, improving night vision and reducing strain. If you've been asking, why is my vision blurry even after getting new glasses? This could be your answer. Glasses correct focus, but they don't repair the macula. This natural bedtime routine feeds the macula directly, helping your eyes regain their true color and depth perception. You're not just maintaining vision care, you're restoring the part of your eyes that makes life beautiful. And in the next section, we'll explore how this same bedtime ritual boosts your body's strongest natural defense, the antioxidants that protect your macula from daily light damage and long-term vision loss. Now we reach the part everyone's been waiting for, the golden ingredient behind this bedtime ritual, saffron milk. For years, saffron has been studied for its powerful role in eye health and vision improvement. Modern research from the Mayo Clinic and the National Eye Institute shows that saffron's active compounds, crocin and quercetin, help protect and even restore retinal cells, especially in adults over 60 who struggle with blurry vision or light sensitivity. Here's how it works. Saffron improves blood flow to the retina and supports the macula, the central area that controls sharp focus and color recognition. This simple combination helps your eyes recover from the daily strain of blue light, fatigue, and aging, while reducing the reason for blurry vision and helping maintain long-term clear vision without stronger glasses or risky procedures. To make it, steep about 15 saffron threads in a cup of warm milk or almond milk for 10 to 15 minutes until the color turns deep gold. Add a teaspoon of honey for a mild flavor. Drink it about 1 hour before bed, when your body starts its natural repair cycle. Saffron is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs best with milk's natural fats. That's how your eyes get the full benefit. Many seniors notice results within 3 to 4 weeks. One man shared that his blurry vision in one eye, which made road signs unreadable, began to clear. He said he could finally drive at night again without the glare from headlights. That's more than clear vision. That's independence regained. A quick note: saffron is safe in small amounts, but only if it's pure. Look for deep red threads with a rich aroma. Avoid cheap blends or yellow powders. They don't deliver the same vision health benefits. This isn't a miracle cure. It's a natural support system that helps your eyes repair during deep sleep. When paired with omega-3s, hydration, and balanced nutrition, this nightly ritual can make a real difference in how you see each morning. If you've been wondering how to fix blurry vision naturally, this is where it starts, with one warm cup that helps your eyes rest, rebuild, and wake up sharper. Up next, we'll talk about 3 small daily habits: sleep timing, hydration, and light exposure that can make or break your vision care routine after 60. This is the moment everything comes together. For years, seniors have been told that blurry vision is just part of aging, that once it starts, it only gets worse. But science now proves something different. Your eyes can still heal when you give them what they need at the right time. The Mayo Clinic reports that even small changes in nighttime nutrition can improve circulation and help the retina repair itself. People who added saffron, omega-3, and vitamins for eye health noticed sharper focus and stronger color contrast in just a few weeks. One senior from Arizona shared his story. He lived with blurring of vision for nearly 10 years. New glasses, drops, supplements, nothing lasted. Then he added the saffron milk drink to his bedtime routine. Within 3 weeks, his morning blurry eye vision began to fade. He said, "It feels like I got part of my life back." That's what this is really about, giving your eyes a chance to rest and rebuild instead of fighting through the day with fatigue, dryness, and frustration. Experts at the Cleveland Clinic confirm that natural recovery doesn't replace medical care. It works with it. It's not about ignoring your doctor. It's about giving your body the missing support it's been waiting for. When blood flow, antioxidants, and melatonin come together, they create the perfect conditions for your eyes to repair even overnight. This is the turning point, where worry becomes relief and blurry mornings begin turning into clear ones. You don't have to live with eye blurry vision forever. There's real science, real hope, and real results happening for older adults across the country. The National Eye Institute says your eyes can still repair the retina and blood vessels well into your 70s if they get the right support. That means your clear vision isn't gone. It's waiting to return. Imagine waking up and reading your phone without that blurring of vision, or stepping outside and seeing sunlight without the sting of dry eyes. According to Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins, small nightly habits, hydration, omega-3s, and retinins protect your retina and reduce the main blurred vision causes. So tonight, when you prepare that saffron drink, think of it as a signal to your eyes. Rest, repair, wake up clear. This small ritual can ease blurry vision in the morning, help prevent vision loss in one eye, and bring confidence back to everyday life. Take a breath and picture it. Waking up without fog, reading clearly, driving confidently. Your best days of sight aren't over. They're just beginning. If you believe that, type "clear vision" below, and let's begin this journey together.